We turn now to a major medical story. A study out today says doctors have found a way to treat women for cancer without jeopardizing their ability to have children. We asked Dr. Jon LaPook to tell us more.
Stephanie Mozio was 29 and married for just 2 years when she was diagnosed with breast cancer. She faced months of chemotherapy.
And we were very concerned that we weren't ever going to be able to have children, and we wanted kids.
Chemotherapy can cause infertility and early menopause. Dr. Hallie Moore of the Cleveland Clinic is Mozio's oncologist.
The thought is that the cycling ovaries are at increased risk for the damaging effects of chemotherapy.
Dr. Moore tried a novel approach, giving Mozio a hormone-blocking drug during chemotherapy. The hormone blocker temporarily shuts down the ovaries, putting them into a kind of protective hibernation.
Basically, it's putting the woman into a temporary menopause in the hopes that by resting the ovaries during chemotherapy, she'll have a lower risk of long-term menopause as a consequence of the chemotherapy.
Moore was the lead author on today's study, which followed 218 premenopausal women with breast cancer. After 2 years, 8% of women given the hormone blocker had premature ovarian failure, compared to 22% not given the drug. Women on the drug had many more pregnancies, 22 compared to 12.
Choo, 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 choo.
Less than a year after finishing her cancer treatment, Mozio became pregnant.
We were ecstatic. I couldn't believe it. We were able to get pregnant on our own.
She now has 2 healthy girls. In addition to preserving fertility, keeping the ovaries healthy may also help prevent problems such as osteoporosis and menopausal symptoms.
Jon, does this work for other women with other types of cancers?
Well, that's the hope. Dr. Moore told me absolutely in the future that's going to be the next thing to try. And imagine for all the women out there who are getting chemotherapy who are of childbearing years, to have this possibility of maintaining their fertility is just a great thing.
Some hope.
Some hope.
Thank
Hope
you
is
very
always
much.
great.